The $10 wash, Dad. Hey, Dad, low.
What?
The $10 wash. Please.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine, no problem.
We'll do an outside view. I'm doing an outside view too for right now. Gonna wait for the washes in use. First I had to wait, Dad. First I had to wait for the washing use, Dad. Low.
You want the $10 ultimate?
Oh, somebody's using it. How to wait?
I know. I'm going to.
We'll get $10 alternate.
$10 ultimate. Alright.
Washes in use. I heard the air's going.
This is a Ryko?
Yep. This is a Ryko model.
Which model?
It's a softgloss XS too. This is Funbite softgloss XS.
Okay.
Softgloss XS. Then we moved to Intersign. The old Intersign that's been removed. They will put a new one too. The top will spin so you get the water off.
Ooh.
There's no wash menu up.
No.
The wash menu I haven't put up yet.
No, they don't have a menu board, huh?
This is weird.
And that's a little different. Don't know what you're getting with each wash.
With Bellinger dryers too. Timewise instructions. There's a ryko. This model has a ryko in it too. Whirlwinds up there. Please.
Go, yeah.
This is a ryko. This is ryko. It says ryko. Put cover. It gets wax on it. It's just waxing. Same program like last time. Now it's waxing. It's waxing. Cool wax on the car. Waxed up. Car has waxing in it too. Now we have went cycles. Cool rinsing. This used to be a Bellinger mini tunnel a long time ago, back in 2012. I haven't filmed. It has the Bellinger dryers. Kept the Bellinger dryers. Step in. Went to Ryko's. But no, this is Bellinger dryers. Bellinger air canning dryers. This is Bellinger dryers. This is Bellinger dryers. Used to be a tunnel car wash. Now we have Ryko's there. They have the Bellinger dryers. Air canning dryers. There's Ryko in there too. Used to be a Bellinger mini tunnel. Long time ago, there used to be a Bellinger mini tunnel, and there's a Ryko. There's a Ryko. They replaced it a long time ago. They replaced it back in the summer 2015. Anyways, thanks so much.